This is the NFL Week 2 matchups announced by Peter. Okay. Steelers, Titans, Dolphins, Vikings, Falcons, Cardinals, Bengals, Ravens, Browns, Chiefs, Cowboys, Bears, Lions, Eagles, Packers, Bills, Panthers, Buccaneers, and Horseshoe, Giants, Saints, 49ers, Chargers, Jaguars, Jets, Patriots, Redskins, Texas, what are these? Raiders, Rams, Broncos, Seahawks.
Yay! And who's the best team?
Redskins!
Yay!